Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 5, Annisa Putri pramesty and Rita Nur Listianingsih. We will presentation about the phoneme, symbol and transcription and phonology. Phonemes are the smallest phonetic units in a language that are capable of conveying a distinction in meaning. A phoneme may consist of several phonetically distinct articulations, which are regarded as essential by native speakers. Since one articulation may be substituted for another without any change of meaning. Phonemes are abstract mental representation. It is a ready stated and overpain, but we don't pronounce not yet. Here is for example of phonemes. In the word keep contains of 3 phonemes. They are keh, I, and peh. The word keep has a meaning which is to have or continue to have in your possession. When P changes the keh phonemes to the phonemes, it would the word change from keep into deep, and it is carrying different meaning. The word deep has a meaning which is going or paying a long way down from top or surface. So, if you change a phoneme in a word to another phoneme, it will change the meaning of the word.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I will continue the group presentation of 5. My name is Rita Nur Listianingsih. I will present symbol and transcription. Definition of symbol are one of the purpose, either they are symbol from phonemes or they are phonetic symbol. Univoc symbol, the number of phoneme symbol must actually match the predefined number of phonemes in the language. Some of our phoneme symbol consists of 2 characters. Example, usually treated as in chief as one phonemes. So TF is a phonetic symbol consisting of 2 characters T and F. The traditional way of the practicing pronunciation with the phonetic methods is phonetic transcription. Type of transcription exercise: 1. Transcription from dictation, that is with listen to someone to or who write, then write down what they hear. 2. Transcription of written text, that is by giving reading written in orthography and having to use phonemic symbol to represent how the thought pattern will be spoken to someone. The advantages and disadvantages of the transcription methods. 1. In the phonetic transcription is a symbol that can make it easier to someone to learn English. 2. These methods will make it easier to someone to memorize a lot of vocabulary. 3. The weakness is that when someone learns to use these methods, they will often forget and find it difficult to distinguish vocabulary. Narrow benefit transcription is a transcription that contains a lot of information about the exact quality of the sound. An extensive benefit transcription, a transcription that includes only a little more information than a phonetic transcription. Transcription by nature. Allophonic transcription, it is a transcription that is based of phonemic property but contain additional symbolic information about certain alloform of symbol. Example, use of symbol to accurately label the allophones of some English phoneme. The basic difference between phonemic and phonetic is that phonemic symbols do not have to exhibit exact phonetic quality, which makes it possible to choose several symbols to represent a particular phoneme. Phonology. Definition of phonology. When we talk about how phonemes function in language and the relationship among the different phoneme when, in other words, we study the abstract side of the sound of language. We are studying or relates but different subjects. Phonemic system. The phonetic learning parable is a game card set. For example, playing cards can be played in the different style and size, but when changed, these things do not affect the gameplay with them. If we remove one card from the pack or add one card to it before the game starts, no one will accept that we play the game right. In the same way, they have a more or less fixed set of tunes, phonemes, for playing the English-speaking game. There may be many slight different relations of various phonemes, but the most important things of communication is that we must be able to use the full set of phonemes. Phoneme sequence and syllable structure. In every common language, it is found that there is a limit to the order in which phonemes are used. Example, no English words begins with the consonant line CBF and no words end with the line he. Written exercise. The word in the following list should be transcribed first phonetically, then in square brackets phonetically. In your phonetic transcription, you should use the following diacritics. B, D, K pronounced without spacing are transcribed B, D, K. P, T, K pronounced with expression are transcribed P, T, K. I, A, O, U when shorted by a following for this consonant shall be transcribed E, A, O. A, D, O, A when started by a following for this consonant shall be transcribed E, A, Z, G, O, A. Use the same mark for diphthong, placing the diacritics on the first D of the diphthong. Example spelling: pitch, phonemic, part, phonetic, part. Word for transcription: A, speech, B, part check, C, book, D, code, C, car, F, pet, G, portrait, he, toss, E, stop. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi